Um, see if we get a better. See if it's any better. It's kind of going a little slow, but I think it's a little better now. So looking at gold here, as you can see that we broke this um, trend here very aggressively to the downside, and now what we thought was a little consolidation gave us a little bit more momentum up, but that's okay, still okay, because it's still kind of playing in this channel. So what I want to see is what we're already seeing is some bearish momentum, right? So there's some sellers in this area, as we can see. So what we want to see for this week is any bearish momentum, and then we can look to probably take another dive back into these levels here, back to about 1120. That's what I wanted to see. But this consolidation got a little bit more complex here. I was expecting this, something simple and then go down. But of course, we got that bullish momentum, huge bullish momentum for about 3 weeks and into the closing of the year. But that doesn't mean anything, because we still can get all this, and we still can start to get this back to the downside. So that's what I'm still going to be expecting, unless we get something that starts coming down like this. Then I'll look to buy and take it back to this level. So until then, let's stay bearish on gold. And as we're bearish on gold, that'll mean a bullish dollar. So let's see how this goes. See how today's candle closes. As you can see, it's already closing very. We've got some bears up there already. So that would be pretty good. And as you can see, if we go down lower to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is not a strong trend anymore. You can see that this is this is very much dying out. This trend, how this is going up, that's not very pretty. So we can expect some bearish momentum very soon on the dollar, I think, even if it's just for relief, even if it's not the sell-off, but we can expect some bearish momentum. AUD/USD starting on the monthly time frame. I think we're going to get some more bearish momentum as well. I was expecting a bounce from this level, but as you can see, we're most likely going to break through this level and just continue to the downside on AUD/USD for another probably 100 pips or so down to this level here. So sell cautiously though, but I do believe with gold coinciding with this that we're not going to get this upside here. We're going to get that next level down to the 6,800. So expect some more bearish momentum on AUD/USD. Who knows how fast it'll go, but especially bearish momentum. NZD/USD bearish momentum as well. Continuing to the downside, guys. And most likely this one can keep going lower. This one can even go to 61. So any consolidation here on lower time frame, look to sell NZD/USD. That's all I would say. And it looks pretty good. Euro/USD. We were looking for upside, but I believe that will be changing. We'll get one more to the downside, pretty low, but you don't want to be selling in this area here. You want to wait for any consolidation on a lower time frame, as it is doing right now. If you didn't get in at this level, wait for some consolidation, and then you can trigger a sell to the downside if it's ready to go. Because every time it came down, went up, came down. So this should be good sells for the end of the week. USD CAD, we've been looking for sells to the downside on USD CAD. It's still in this consolidation, guys. So I'm bearish. That's just how I trade. I'm still bearish. A lot of you guys may be thinking this is a strong trend, but really it's not a very strong trend, as you can see how it's going up. So that CAD will really have to reverse for this to drop, but I'm still gonna stick bearish for now until anything further. So I'm still going to stick bearish for a huge bearish move to the downside, but no trade is yet on USD CAD. Let's wait for the impulse to take place, and then we'll look to get USD CHF. Good learning. This could be a good teaching moment right now. USD CHF, we were expecting 1, 2, 3 down, kind of a 1, and then we're expecting kind of a 2, 3 up, right? So that didn't happen, right? We moved up, and then we expected to be an impulse and a type of a correction move to continue down to make that bigger old flag, kind of a 1, 2, 3 here, right, to go up. But now, as you can see, it's kind of changing structure on USD CHF. And these are the things you've got to notice, you've got to adapt to as being a trader. Once you got this move and then price decided to start making this kind of pattern, as you can see, this is called an ending diagonal or ending channel. That means, this can do this for years. But that means that, we're going to crawl down very, very slow. But any moment you want to be looking, for that buy setup to break above small consolidation and then, continue to the upside. So if this USD CHF is confirming upside, most likely that dollar, will go for one more move to the upside. But, just don't be so hurried to buy, because this can do this for a very long time. It can keep doing it where it looks like it wants to break up, but it'll stay in this channel for a long time. It can even get back to this low here before pushing up, and so it'll still make a 1, 2, 3 move before going up, but it'll just take longer. And I can show you guys where this happened before on USD JPY. Kind of stopped me out many of times. I'll show you guys. So this is just a small one for now, but if you can trade this, you can trade it. If you can't, stay out of it. GJ broke down. I did not think they were gonna break down this week. I was expecting upside. Upside can come at any moment. Once it's still in this channel. Now, once we get that consolidation here, we can consider moving this channel, and then we could consider probably looking, further downside on this GJ, because right now that's how it looks. But I was looking at this as a flag pattern to go up. That is not invalid as yet. It is not invalid as yet. But if we get a small consolidation here, back to the top here, then you want to invalidate that and then look for further downside. But if we get a quick reversal here, you want to look for buys, because we could be going high. But right now I don't see that possibility anymore. With this daily candle, that's about 200 pips on a Tuesday. So yeah, we just need to wait and see what it wants to do. But that was a very quick move, huh? Yeah, very quick move to the downside. So yeah, we probably could be continuing some more bearish momentum on GJUJ. Same thing, bearish momentum. I'm looking for us to go all the way back to 104. So whether that's the dollar or that's just JPY doing that, if it's JPY, that means GJ will continue down. If it's the dollar, then of course the dollar will drop. But right now it looks like that's Jappy. That's bringing all those Jappy pairs to the downside. So don't mind that dollar right now. Let the dollar. If the dollar goes bullish, then we'll get some consolidation on USD JPY. But right now I'm still looking downside on UJ back to 104. GU, we had a bullish move and then we had a quick bearish move here. So right now I would stay out of GU. More on the bearish side of things, but as you can see, it's been very choppy for a while. Let's wait for it to gain its trend back, break out of this. But if I would want to trade this, I would trade this back to this level, 119. CAD JPY, I want to see that CAD gain some strength, and if I do see that CAD gain some strength, then we're going to get this move here. It looks like a bullish, kind of a bullish flag with the head and shoulders. We've got an up move, and then we've got this move here inside consolidation, so we could expect maybe one more move to the upside. And if that happens, USD CAD will drop, and will drop hard. So this line will tell everything. Even if they break it, doesn't mean anything. Usually when they break it, they come right back above like they did, and so you could potentially start looking for buys. Not as yet though. Wait for a little bit more momentum than that, a little bit more momentum like that, and this will take a couple days too. But look at the overall structure, as you can see, and then probably looking for upside on CAD JPY. AUD JPY, same thing. We had this kind of descending kind of channel, but then we broke down. So when breaking down, just wait for a small consolidation, and you can look to get in a sell to target it down to the downside. And that's all AUD. So pound AUD got to break up from our level here. But now we're getting that a little bit of manipulation. I would stay out of it. I'd stay out of GA. I'm not gonna go over that. Stay out of EA as well. EuroCAD is beautiful. I saw this trade happening from here, where we had this descending channel, and then we broke up, for our first take profit. And we broke up from here, hit profit. So whether that wants to go to the second take profit, which will be here, it can. But if it doesn't, it just wants to continue to break down, then we'll look for sell opportunities. But we need to wait for some type of consolidation here to confirm sell opportunities on EuroCAD as of now. Pound CHF, just leave it. AUD CAD, I'm looking downside. I gave you guys this before Christmas break. Euro GBP, leave it, stay out. And then that's about it. That's kind of all. GCAD, yeah, GBP CAD. I gave you guys this a while ago. Told you guys to look for one more bearish move. This was on right before Christmas, about a week before Christmas. As you can see, this is a consolidation pattern with the impulse here. So I said one more move up, then you can look for sells. So guys, if you aren't in those sells already, that's okay, because I'm not either. Just wait for consolidation and take a sell, okay, on a smaller time frame. So that's the daily there. Just wait for the 4 hour. You can see this impulse. Wait for consolidation. You guys should know what that consolidation move looks like. It may take a few hours, and then you can look for sell. Okay, GBP CAD. So that may, that may confirm a little bit downside on USD CAD as well. So GBP CAD, you can take a sell. First take profit would be at the low. Look for it to break this low. CAD CHF, I've been wanting a rise on CAD CHF. But then when I looked at the overall view, I said, at some point we need to get back to this level. Because as you can see, we're, at some point, here's the impulse consolidation. At some point we need to look at this point. But if I'm looking for a bullish CAD, it kind of contradicts, what I'm saying. But, we did get that bullish momentum. But the only way to take this trade, guys, is with a breakout of this this trend here. And so, the safest trade is not CAD CHF, guys. I wouldn't look at it because, this may retest the high here, possibility, but right now, just stay out of CAD CHF. You can trade CAD JPY, that's a better trade. USD CAD, that's a better trade, and GBP CAD, better trades. So, I hope this kind of explains where we're going for this month, actually, because this is kind of confirming a lot for this month. As you can see, pairs are already moving because they've been standstill for about a week, 2 weeks, and so they're moving. But I won't be trading until Monday. But I want to give you guys this outlook. I will be updating you guys over the weekend and again next week. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you later.